Hello and hi everyone, welcome to Coursit. I am Aditya and today I'll tell you how can you change your cursor to a custom cursor, okay, of your choice. You can apply any. So if you are also bored with this traditional and default Microsoft cursor, then you are in the right place. So for that, firstly you need to have the image of your cursor. So you can download any image or you can even design it. So I'll download it. I have opened Google and now I'll type cursor and you will head to the images section, and here you have multiple options. So suppose I like this cursor, I can download it, or you can also copy it. So I'll tell you why I have asked you to copy, because we need to remove the background of this image, okay, otherwise the cursor will look like a PNG. Okay, so to remove the background you can open any trusted source. I'll go with remove.bg. Okay, it's opening and I have to upload the image. I have copied it so I can paste it. So it has removed the background and now I can download it. So in the download section I'll name it as pink cursor. It is pink and blue, so yeah, and I have downloaded it now. So basically this is in PNG format, right? But Microsoft allows only .cur, which stands for cursor. So we have to convert this PNG to CUR. So for that I will open one website. It's convertio.co. Convertio.co. Okay, it's a file converter. So let me choose the file. It's pink cursor. Okay, so I've selected the pink cursor and it is asking in which format I need to convert it, from which to which. I mean, it knows from PNG to what. So I will go in the images section and there we have this CUR. Okay, so I will click on this and now I'll press the convert button. It's converting and the conversion is completed. So now we have to download this. So I'll save it in desktop as first cursor. You can give it any name, cursor. Okay, so now we have to apply this cursor instead of this default mouse pointer. So let's go to the control panel. For that I will open my control panel. Yes, okay, so now here in the search bar we'll search mouse pointer. Okay, so you must be seeing change how the mouse pointer looks. Go ahead and click that and click on the browse section, because we have saved this in our desktop, so we need to browse it. The desktop, you need to search for that first cursor and you can see the preview. Now I'll click on open and just click on apply. There you go, we have successfully applied a custom cursor. Okay, so you can apply any cursor of your choice, like any cursor, from this to even this. So thanks for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe it.